G'day everybody, Michael here from the funporium.com.au. Today we're going to be opening a high-end box of the 2023-2024 Panini Contenders NBA. We have 4 packs with 8 cards per pack, and on average we're looking for about 2 autographs. Typical box costs about $500, and we are really looking to pull something massive out of this. So take a look. This is what we're looking at. Have a good look at that. Let's get to it. Alright, let's get a close-up look of the Panini Contenders 23-24 basketball set in all its glory. So 4 cards per pack, 4 packs per box, 8 cards per pack. Try and get that as clear as possible. You can pause here if you need to see. And as we mentioned, we're looking for the autograph cards. That is the priority number 1. Wembanyama, of course, the all-star standout rookie. We would love to crack a few of him. Alright, let's get this opened. Okay. It's a lovely looking box. Panini Contenders. And they're the packs. Alright, so 4 packs, nothing else in there. Let's see how we go. Alright, packet number 1. Let's get to it. Okay, we go this way. Got them all muddled up. So we got Darius Garland, season ticket. It's for Cleveland, 17 of 25. Oh, it's a lottery ticket for Amen Thompson. So that's pretty cool. We got a lottery ticket. Makes sense, we're a news agent. We sell lottery tickets. We might as well have a lottery ticket for Amen Thompson. Alright, a Jason Tatum. Elite shots. Camera doesn't pick up on just how nice that is in the shadow, unfortunately. I'm trying to get the best image of it as I can. Sorry, guys. Alright. Oh, we got an Anthony Black season ticket. It's not numbered. Have a Jalen Brunson, another base card. Marcus Smart. I think we might have to go down this way. It looks more interesting this way. Oh, Ja Morant for the Memphis Grizzlies. CJ McCollum. And that's it for the first pack. So the lottery ticket was one of the big standouts. Alright, let's get pack number 2 underway. These cards are in all different sorts of order. So we've got an Anthony Black. This one's numbered 11 of 249. If we can quite make that out on the video. We've got Rookie of the Year contender. Yeah, that's Keontae George for the Jazz. Don't think he was quite up there, unfortunately. We've got a supernatural Cason Wallace for the Oklahoma City Thunder. There we got upside down cards. It's got Julius Randle for the Knicks. Got Donovan Mitchell. Got Kyle Kuzma. And DeAndre Ayton. Oh, there's one more. Aaron Gordon. Okay. Still no autographs. We are definitely due for an autograph here if the average is 2. Spin these around. So we've got the rookie ticket for Usua Thompson, playing for the Pistons. My favourite team personally, I know. It's been a rough couple of years. Alright, upside down. And Allen Iverson in the blue parallel for the elite shots. There's a very nice looking card. Alright, we have a die cut card. It's very awkward. I thought I was going to drop it then. So Superstars, Ja Morant. The die cut, very nice. Have a look at that one. Very nice. Look at that. Beautiful looking card. Alright, that was the signature. I gave you a glimpse of the signature. We don't want to do that. We'll leave that to the end. So we've got Bam Adebayo for the Miami Heat. My brother's team, the other half of the Funporium. We've got Jordan Poole for the Wizards. Base cards. D'Angelo Russell. Alright, and we have Klay Thompson. So this is the signature coming up. And we have Kobe Bufkin for Atlanta. It's a nice looking card. It's like your ticket stub. Very, very nice. Alright. Let's try and get one more signature out of this box. Alright, straight off the bat. Oh, that is what we are looking for. A supernatural Victor Wembanyama. The rookie sensation. There is a lot of talk about this kid being the best in the league already, let alone in the future. That is a big hit right there. Alright, we've got Rookie of the Year contender Anthony Black. Certainly had a good year for the Magic. And we've got another elite shot sideways. And that is Kyrie Irving. Alright. Oh, that's our signature already. Okay. So we got Oliver Maxey Prosper for the Mavericks as our signature card. Very, very nice. All right. Well, we've got our two signatures. We'll finish this off with Jabari Smith Jr. Oh, we got a LeBron James base card. That is always handy to pull. One of the GOATs. Greatest of all-time players. Definitely up there with MJ and the rest. We got Drew Holiday. And Anthony Edwards to finish it off with. So two signatures there. Very happy with that. And again, Panini Contenders 23-24 for the NBA. Check it out on the Funporium. Those cards will go live for sale in the next couple of days. As always, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we hope to see you again soon. Cheers.